Hi there, my name is Emily Wamboi. You can call me Em, and this is Busy at Home. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Today we are making minced meat, and I'm making minced meat in a way that I've never made it before. So this is kind of an experiment. So if this fails, we fail together, you and I. I'm going to start by chopping the onions and blending the tomatoes that I'll use for the sauce. But before I do that, let me show you how I marinated the meat. Now that the meat is marinated, I'm going to store this in the fridge for a few hours. And now let's put everything together. I'm going to start by frying the onions, and then I'll add the meat later. So at this very moment, I didn't know how things were going to turn out. But let me tell you, after a while when I started to see all the water coming out of the meat, I was like, I knew that things weren't going to turn out as I'd hoped and expected. So yes, now I know. This meat has a lot of water and you need to cook it out first before you add in any of your other ingredients. So I did mention that I was trying out this recipe, didn't I? Well, it backfired. It didn't come out as thick as I wanted it to come out. It still tastes nice, but it's not, the soup didn't thicken. Like I had an idea that it would thicken and we'd have some nice thick sauce for it, but then that didn't happen. I'm kind of feeling disappointed and bummed about that, but it still tastes nice. So to redeem it, I have decided that I'm going to split it into two and then thicken it with some cornstarch, corn slurry. And then for one, I'm going to add some peas and carrots to kuongeza volume. And then the other one, we're going to have it with ugali. I'll just leave it like that. Let me tell you, this process was so humbling, but we make mistakes in the kitchen all the time. At least I do. But the fact that this was all on camera, and yeah, I decided I wasn't going to throw in this video because, well, these things happen in the kitchen. And sometimes when I'm posting videos, sometimes you may not know what goes behind those videos and all the testing that goes on. And I had an idea for what this would turn out, but it didn't turn out that way. But I thank God that, I can be able to learn from my mistakes and move forward. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, give us a like. It helps to support this channel.